All right, so here you have been asked to write the range of x where the function is positively increasing. All right, so when it comes to a graph of a quadratic function, we can clearly see there are four types of behaviors. So what are those? Here, let's take the first part. That's the first space till the x-axis. Once it passes x-axis, it's another pace or another type of behavior till the turning point, and after the turning point till it comes to the x-axis, it's another pace, and then comes the other pace. All right, so let's look at the way the graph is behaving during this orange period, or the orange pace. Let's just take a point on this orange part. Let's take this yellow color point and another point. Let's take a blue point, or maybe a black point. Now see, when we go from yellow point to the black point, what's happening to the y value? What's the yellow point's y value? -5. And what's the black point's y value? It's -4. So what's happening to the y value or to the function? It is increasing. Now remember, -4 is bigger than -5. All right. So what's happening then during this orange phase of the graph? Function is increasing, or y is increasing. Y, or we also can say function, y is increasing, or function is increasing. How? Is it positively or negatively? See, it's going from -5 to -4. So, which means it's increasing negatively. All right, now let's go to the blue phase of the graph. How is the graph or the function behaving? Let's take a point on the blue part. Let's take a point. Let's take the green point here, and let's take a white point. So now, what's the green point's y value? It's 1. And what's the white point's y value? It's 2. So what's happening? Is y increasing or decreasing? It's going from 1 to 2. So obvious it's increasing. So y is increasing. How? It's going from 1 to 2. So it's positive, right? So y is increasing positively. Now let's look at the purple part. All right. So to get an idea how the function is behaving, let's pick 2 points. Let's mark 2 points. Let's mark a point with orange, and let's mark a point with maybe black. So when you're coming this way, you're going this way. When you're going from orange point to the black point, what's happening to the y value? What's the orange point's y value? That's 2. And what's the black point's y value? It's 1. So what does that mean? The y or the function is decreasing. It's going down. So y is decreasing, or function is decreasing. How? 2 to 1. So it's positive. So y is decreasing positively, or the function is decreasing positively. All right, let's go to the last part. Let's mark 2 points just to get an idea, the idea of the behavior of the function during that period. Shall we mark with maybe with red, and Green. So look what's happening. What's the red point's y value? The y coordinate. Look for this. Look for the side. You would see -1, and so y value is -1 here. And what's the green point's y value? Y equals -2. Yeah. So what's happening to the y value, or what's happening to the function? Is it increasing or decreasing? It's going from -1 to -2. So what's bigger here? -1 is bigger than -2. So what's happening? It's decreasing. So function or the y is decreasing. How? It's decreasing negatively during this part of the function. Y is decreasing. How? Negatively. Now let's see what the question is. Write the range of x where the function is positively increasing. Function is positively increasing. So during which phase of the graph is the function or the y increasing positively? That's during the blue period. So where is the blue period starting from? It is starting, let's get a color, maybe orange. So y is positively increasing, that is starting from that's the blue period or the blue phase of the graph. So it's starting at this point. So at this point, what's the value of x? Now see, 0 to 1, there are 5 tiny boxes. What does that mean? One tiny box represents 0.2 units. So what's this starting point's x value? 0.2. So we can say it's a range. So let's use the word between 0.2 of x and when is this behavior stopping? What behavior? The behavior of positively increasing. Where is it stopping? At the turning point. So at the turning point, it stops behaving in the way of positively increasing. So what's the turning points? X coordinate or the x value. Look down, you would see 2. So between 0.2 of x and 2 of x. So function is positively increasing between 0.2 of x and 2 of x. Now, you can write the same answer in another way. How is it? You can write it as an inequality too. How would you write as an inequality? Write x in the middle. And which way are you going? You're at 0.2 of x. That's the starting point. And you're going to your right till 2. So that means x is bigger than 0.2 because you're going to the right. So x is bigger than 0.2 but less than 2. So you can present your answer in either of these ways. So you can write in words or you can write as an inequality.